Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to be doing this video today. Today is a PR unboxing. Well, some of the items that I have I've already unboxed, that I already looked at. You know, when you get a new package in the mail, you get so excited to open up the box and see what you got. So some of it will be an unboxing and then some of it won't be an unboxing. So if you want to see this video, please stay tuned. What is this? Lush Diva sent me some lashes. Hey girl, make sure you guys follow Lush Diva. I opened it because you know I'm an instant gratification type girl. I have to open my packages when I get them. Oh my goodness. So it comes with, she sent me some tweezers to put my lashes on, spoolies, some pink spoolies. Oh wow, these are the classic Lush lashes. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Lush Diva. Her business card. Make sure you follow her on all her social media platforms. And a little card. I'm not going to read the card. Well, look at this. I'm not going to read the card because I feel like these things are made personally for people. But that's the card. Thank you, girl. I can't wait to wear lashes. I am a lash fanatic, you guys. Lash fanatic. I have probably one of the largest lash collection that anybody has ever seen. Like, I have a whole drawer over here, just lash. A whole drawer dedicated to lashes. Okay, so this is from, I'm not sure who this is from. Hair RX. Okay, thank you so much, Hair RX. Advanced hair care. Okay, that. And their little pamphlet. So they sent me some professional volumizing conditioner and professional volumizing shampoo. So I will be using this and checking this out. Thank you so much, Hair RX. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, when I got this package in the mail, it was like 3 separate packages. So I undid everything so I could show you guys on Instagram. Like that's what I love to do. Whenever I get a package in the mail, I love to go ahead, unpackage it, show you guys on Instagram, on my Insta Snap, and sometimes on Snapchat. I'm not as active. I only have Snapchat for the filters because I thought Insta Story was gonna step their filter game up, but nah. So I have Snapchat for the filters. So yeah, like I was saying, wow, I went on this rant. Huda Beauty, you guys. Oh my gosh, they sent me this huge package. I have 2 more things that they sent me down below, but it looks like they sent me all of their lippies, and they sent me a ton of their lashes. Right now I have on their, the Sasha lash. They sent me the Sasha lash, the Samantha lash, Noelle, Sarah. This would be all the girls. Scarlett. I have all of these lippies, you guys. Oh my goodness. And that is not it. That's not it. They sent me, yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I was so stoked that they sent me this. And look, you guys. So when you open it, it has this card with all this description of all the shadows on it. And then I've used this this palette already. I used it when I was on vacation in Orlando, and you guys, like, oh my gosh, this, like, you could tell I used it. You could tell I used it. Look at these lashes. I mean, not lashes, look at this palette. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's the Desert Dusk palette. My favorite part of the packaging is the sand. Look at the sand. Oh my gosh. I remember when this palette first came out, everybody was getting the PR package. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this palette. And thank God that I was on their list to get it, you guys. This let me just swatch. Let's see. Which one should I'm gonna swatch Cosmo. Let's see how Cosmo swatches, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't have that YouTuber lighting yet. I will when I get my stacks up. So the next thing that I received in my Huda Beauty package, oh my goodness. Yes. Not only is this is one of the highlighters. It's all three. I think it's 3. So this comes off, and then this little drawer comes out. So I think it's 4 highlighters. Okay, so the first highlighter palette is the Bronze Sands highlighter palette. And it has this on it. Yes, honey. And then the other ones, let's see. Okay. So I finally got it open. Oh my gosh, I was struggling, y'all, to open this. Okay, so the other ones are these two, the Pink Sands, and then they have the Golden Sands highlighter palette. So let me open this up so you guys can see what it looks like in the inside. So this one is the Pink Sands highlighter palette, and then we have the Golden Sands. Now I think my favorite is the Bronze Sands. Look at that, gorgeous. My favorite is the Bronze Sands. I really like the Bronze Sands highlighter palette. Okay, so when I got this package, let me give it an introduction. When I got this package in the mail, my mom texted me, and she's like, Pooh, because that's my nickname, Pooh. She was like, Pooh, oh my gosh, you have got this huge package. And I was like, what? And then I remember getting a confirmation email and from Covergirl, and I was like, what do you mean huge package? And then she texted me a picture of the package on my bed. I was like, oh my gosh. Like, I had so many errands to run that day that I cut my errand short so that I could come home and open this package. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Like, I am like beside myself still. Like, I'm probably the last one to show this on YouTube, but like, I wanted to make sure I had a good bulk to show you guys of the packages I got. Okay, let me stop talking. Okay, here it is, guys. Yes. I gotta get a thumbnail. Okay, I got my thumbnail. But look at this package, you guys. Okay, so let me open it. And it has like a little video. Oh, look at this. Oh, stuff is falling out. Okay, hold on. Ow, paper cut.
What does my face tell you?
Look.
Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? My face can be bold when you expect me to be weak.
Look at that.
It can be subtle, innocent,
Look at the video.
sexual, as comfort.
Okay. Alright. Oh, Lord. Alright, pause. I got a paper cut, so let me go handle this and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I am back. Ooh. Here we go. All right, so I had to put a Band-Aid on because I got a massive paper cut. But let's finish digging into this CoverGirl box. Oh, she gonna start talking? All right. So you get the package, and then we open it.
What does my face tell you? Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday?
I think this is amazing. Like, you guys probably have seen the video over and over again, but look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. And like, what I love about this new CoverGirl campaign is I am what I make up. So no matter what different walks of life you come from, what different backgrounds you come from, you choose who you want to be, and you be the best you that you want to be. You be the best version of you that you want to be. So let's get into this packaging. So at the top, it looks like it's their whole matte lippies at the top. And then here's another look at, I don't know if this comes out. Okay, so this does come out. So this looks like their entire lippy collection. So it looks like they have the Kitty Cat gloss, which is the Katy Perry collaboration that they did, and then at the bottom is their Queen, their Queen lippy collection. So that is great. And then they have, on the second drawer, eyes. So they have the Katy Perry, the two Katy Perry palettes they have, and then they have the True Match or True Naked CoverGirl palette, and then they have their eyebrow pencils right here, and then it looks like their liners, and then liquid liners, and then they have mascara. So, and then it looks like a primer, eyeshadow primer. So leave me comment down below, or thumbs up this video if you want me to do a whole face full of CoverGirl. You guys, that sounds like a fun video. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long while. Okay, and so this one, it says skin. So it looks like they have Vitalist luminizing lotion, and then they have some powders, some True Pen Pro Touching palette, which looks like a color corrector, some concealers, an all day setting mist, and some more highlighters. So look at that. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. So cool. So you guys, that is it for this PR unboxing video. I moved some stuff around in my room to get better lighting and get a no fuss setup. Do you guys like this setup? Do you guys want me to start doing like just plain black drops? Let me know. And thank you guys for tuning in again. Thank you for showing love on my last video. And guess what, guys? I think I'm going to do a giveaway on this some of this stuff, because I'm not going to use all this makeup. I'm going to test a few things out, and I'm going to give my cousin a few. I have a box for her. I've been a year ago, I think it's been a year, that I told her I was going to send her this box, but I have more stuff to send to her. So shout out to my cousin. She moved to New York about a year ago. Anyway, so I think I'm going to do a giveaway, and the giveaway details will be in my next video. But the giveaway for the $100 towards a George watch is going on, and I left all the information in my last video. And if you need more information, the links to everything and all the information will be in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and like this video, and send me some love notes down below. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.